How to reverse your biological age backed by science. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered if you could actually turn back the clock? Not just feel younger, but actually reverse your biological age. The number on your driver's license is your chronological age. Biological age shows the age of your cells and tissues. The great thing is that it can be changed. If you are older than what your chronological age says, then this video is for you. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? But what if I told you that groundbreaking research suggests it is possible to influence your biological age, to actually slow down or even reverse the aging process at the cellular level? That's what we're diving into today. In this video, we'll explore the science of biological age, what it is and how it's measured. Proven strategies to reverse your biological age backed by science. Lifestyle changes that can make a big difference. Surprising factors that accelerate aging and how to avoid them. Expert-approved tips for a longer, healthier life. 2. The science of biological age. First, let's clarify what we mean by biological age. It's not just about wrinkles or gray hair, it's a measure of the actual condition of your cells and tissues. 8. Telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes that shorten with age. Shorter telomeres are associated with increased risk of age-related diseases. B. DNA methylation. DNA methylation is a process that affects gene expression. Changes in DNA methylation patterns are associated with aging and disease. C. Epigenetics. The field of epigenetics is about the environment that surrounds genes and promotes health and longevity. D. Other biomarkers. Other biomarkers of aging include inflammation levels, oxidative stress, and mitochondrial function. The goal is to influence those for success. 3. Proven strategies to reverse biological age. Okay, here's where it gets really exciting. Scientists have identified several strategies that can actually influence these biological markers of aging. A caloric restriction. Caloric restriction, or reducing your calorie intake by a certain percentage, has been shown to extend lifespan and improve health in various animal studies. We're not talking about starvation here, it's about reducing calories while still getting adequate nutrition. B. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, can promote cellular repair, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. C. Exercise. Regular exercise, both aerobic and strength training, can improve cardiovascular health, boost brain function, and protect against age-related diseases. D. Plant-based diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can protect against cellular damage and promote longevity. E. Specific nutrients supplements. Some nutrients and supplements, such as resveratrol, curcumin, and omega-3 fatty acids, have shown promise in slowing down or reversing certain aspects of aging. Talk to a professional about this because taking too much can be detrimental. IV. Lifestyle changes that make a big difference. Reversing your biological age isn't just about hardcore interventions, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with long-term. 8. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sleep deprivation can accelerate aging and increase your risk of disease. B. Manage stress. Chronic stress can damage your cells and shorten your telomeres. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. C. Cultivate strong social connections. Social isolation has been linked to increased risk of disease and mortality. Nurture your relationships and build a strong support network. V. Surprising factors that accelerate aging, what to avoid. Just as there are factors that can reverse aging, there are also factors that can accelerate it. Be mindful of these culprits. A. Smoking. Smoking damages DNA, shortens telomeres, and increases the risk of cancer and other diseases. B. Excessive alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can damage your liver, brain, and other organs. C. Chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of age-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. V. Expert-approved tips for a longer, healthier life. To ensure you're on the right track, here are some expert-approved tips for promoting longevity. Consult your doctor. Get regular checkups and discuss your health goals with your doctor. Get genetic testing. Consider genetic testing to identify potential risk factors for age-related diseases. Personalize your approach. The best approach to reversing aging is one that is tailored to your individual needs and genetic makeup. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest research in the field of aging and longevity. 7. Conclusion. Reversing your biological age is not about chasing immortality, it's about optimizing your health and well-being so you can live a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. By adopting these strategies, you can take control of your aging process and create a brighter future for yourself. What steps are you taking to promote longevity? Share your tips in the comments below. Quote, "Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more science-backed health and wellness tips. And be sure to check out my other videos on related topics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one."